So today we are going to be making a cheese quesadilla. For the people who want a good lunch option that is, or dinner, breakfast, whatever you want, whatever is available or easy to make, simple. Um, we are going to be taking a tortilla, soft shell flour tortilla. I need to put it on the camera. I need both hands to open this. Okay, we have our flour tortilla here. Just going to be making one, but first off, I'm going to want to get a pan onto the stove, turn it on here, bring it up to a medium, and then we're going to take some butter. We need the butter to get it crispy, and since this butter is fresh out of the fridge, I need to get a sharper knife, cut through it better. Yes, we need the butter, because I'm going to be making two. We plop that on there, and just let that melt, turn into a liquid. I'm going to pause the recording here, and I'll come back when it melts. Now that the butter is all melted, I'm going to try to get that all around the pan. Next, we are going to take our tortilla here and flop it down on in there. And then next, we're going to get some cheese. Shredded cheese, of course. And we're going to take this cheese, sprinkle it around on the tortilla. And could just do it like this, but I prefer to put a little bit of protein on there, so I'm going to be putting some cooked chicken on there. Just gonna put a few pieces. 1, 2, 3. And then put the lid back on here. Now, as the cheese melts and our tortilla heats up, need to grab a spatula. My bad, it was right here. Gonna press it up against the butter, hoping it melts faster. I'll come back when it melts. It has now started to bubble. You're going to want the bubbles inside the tortilla. Like, right here. You're going to want those. Turn up the heat a little more to speed up the process. Check the bottom of the tortilla. It is getting crispier as I speak. Cook faster, melt. Stupid dairy cheese. Why am I calling it stupid? It's wonderful. It's mostly melted now. We're going to flip it like that. Scoop it up. I need to grab a plate. We have ourselves a purple plate here, and depending on how many you want, just repeat the process and use whatever leftover butter you have inside the pan. Turn that down a little. No, turn it off. I'm not going to be making myself anymore. Wrap up your butter. Put it back into its container or whatnot if you got one. These are nice. Butter containers are nice. I like those. Pan. It's hot. Get burnt. I didn't burn myself, but came in contact. Butter's covered up. I'll clean up the cheese. Alright, now that I got everything cleaned up, you're going to take our quesadilla here. Cut it if you want, and get yourself some cream cheese. No, not cream cheese, sour cream if you do that. Now with that, we got our quesadilla here, protein, cheese. Good, like and subscribe for more recipes. Bye.